this video, I decided I was going to fix up this set of bamboo spoons and the holder, which is a Bluetooth speaker. First, I started out by smoothing out the spoons so that they would feel nice in your hands. I did a lot of sanding and carving so that I could get the squared out edges to be round. Once I finished that, I went ahead and drew on the lines for my design. I drew out the center lines for all of the spoons. I made sure they were all the same, and I went ahead and started wood burning. I quickly realized that wood burning on bamboo was not something that should be done. It stinks. The smell was actually very nauseating, and I had a fan and the windows open for pretty much the whole project. The process of using bamboo with a wood burner, it meant you had to clean off your wood burning tool probably 4 times as much as you would with any other wood, probably more than that. I found myself having to clean it off a lot. It was also very oily, which you'll see later on in the video. This project took me longer than any of the projects I've done on this channel, or any wood burning project I've done prior to that. This project altogether probably took me about a week, and that is nowhere near as long as I've spent on any other projects I've done. It generally takes me about 2, maybe 3 days if it's a large project, and this took me a week. I wanted to get a gradient on these spoons so that it would look the way I was intending it to. The design was completely based off of a gradient. I had to go over with my knife edge and clean off a lot of the darker parts that were sharp lines I didn't want. I had to use my knife edge more in this project than I have in all of my other ones as well. I went with this cool teardrop shape because it was easy to do and I felt like it was a good addition to it. I wanted to follow the pattern that I used on the spoons and go ahead and do that on the holder so that it was one cohesive design. It ended up being that on the Bluetooth speaker, the spoon holder, it actually ended up kind of looking like sound waves. I wasn't going for a sound wave design, but it ended up kind of looking like that because I wanted it to be even. I wanted to incorporate more real-time videos into this, and I ended up just speeding them up because I didn't want it to be a super long video for you. If you can see, around where you end off, where I was ending off my gradient parts, you could see this weird this line that went around where it would stop. And it was like almost like a grease, like an oil, but once it dried after it was heated, it wouldn't wipe off. So I ended up having to go out and use my knife edge on pretty much all around it to get rid of that. I really enjoyed how this project was going, how it was ending up, but it really was taking way too long. I was glad this project was ending. I have never taken this much time on a project before. So there it is, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope you like the project. Hopefully you guys will try this project for yourself or something similar to it. Maybe not with bamboo. I really don't recommend using bamboo, but go right ahead and try. Thanks guys, thanks for watching the video.